Okay, so we're going to need some regular Oreo biscuits and some mini Oreo biscuits. We're also going to need some cake pop sticks. I've got 2 packets here, so 50. And also some black melting chocolate or chocolate drops. Okay, so you're going to melt your chocolate in the microwave just at 20-second intervals. And I'm just putting it in a mug. And so we're going to dip first the stick into the chocolate and then press the biscuits together. And then we're going to dip it straight into that nice black melted chocolate and give it a nice even coverage. And then just put it down on some baking paper and let it dry. So for the little biscuits, I'm actually going to put 2 on each stick. So dipping the stick a little bit more into the chocolate and then putting 2 biscuits right under each other and then adding their lids and just squeezing them, not too hard to break the biscuit, but just so they can be nice and firm on the stick, and delicately dip it into the chocolate, give it a bit of a tap to take off the excess chocolate, and then just leave it on some baking paper to dry and harden, ready for decorating. So your chocolate will harden while it's sitting in the cup, but that's fine. You can just remelt it. So just put it back in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time and just give it a nice stir, and it should go back to that nice, perfect dipping consistency, as so. And so I used 2 packets, which were 250 grams each for the 56, and I was only left with about maybe a quarter of a packet. So that was perfect amount for the 50 sticks. Okay, so while those cake pops are hardening, we're going to melt some white chocolate, and then I just separated it into 4 different cups, and I colored it green, red, blue, and pink. So then we're going to transfer them into a small piping bag, 1 of each color, and they're ready to go. These are PlayStation symbols, so we've got 4 symbols. We have the pink square, the blue X, the red circle, and the green triangle. So just freehanding them straight onto the Oreos, scented, and super easy. This is a really, really quick and easy dessert. And the best thing about this dessert is it can be adapted to any theme party. So we did a PlayStation theme party, so we used the PlayStation symbols, but you could literally design anything onto them. Super easy, super fast, and super delicious. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like for more cakes, crafts, and costumes.